Hi, this is Beata from Splitco Stampers. In this video I'll show you how to create this little box which measures 3.5 inches square and 2 inch high, and it's perfect to hold little note cards or small treats. All images in the sample are from Tailored Expressions Wings of Joy stamp set, and the paper is from My Mind's Eye Colorful Christmas paper pack. To start out with, for your box base, you will need a piece of cardstock that measures 7.5 inch square, and you score at 2 inches on all 4 sides. Pre-fold those score lines. And cut the vertical lines to the horizontal score lines. You can use a scissor for that, but if it's bigger cuts like 2 inches, I like to use my paper cutter so I know it's straight. And just add adhesive, and I'm using score tape. First of all, it's strong. Second, it can rip it, and your backing when it comes off is not static like the red liner tape. And then just take the liner off. And fold the glue tabs in and tape together. Now you could leave it like this, or you can add a pattern paper around it to give it a little bit more color. And you can cut either 3.5 by 2 inch strips and tape them to each side, or cut one long 12 inch strip. It's not long enough, and you just wrap it around and tape one piece of 3.5 by however high you make it. I made it 1 3/4. Tape it over that. I already did that to save some time, otherwise the video will run too long. And your base is done. Next we move on to the lid. You take a piece of cardstock that measures 5 5/8 inch, and you score at 1 inch on each side. Like with the box bottom, pre-fold all the score lines. And because it's smaller, and cut the tabs. And then if you want to, you can use a decorative punch to butt punch the long sides to give it a little bit more decor. I already did that. You only need to punch the long sides, not the tabs. And I already added adhesive. And now just cut those glue tabs diagonal so they won't show under your scallops. And then take the adhesive on the tab off, and like the box, we'll put it together like that. The box bottom, just fold in the corner and line up the other side. You wonder why I have adhesive there. This is when you could leave the box like this, or you can add more designer paper on top. For that, I cut a piece of designer paper a little bit smaller. It's 5 1/8, and we'll score every 3/4 so you see your scallop edge. The score pal doesn't have a 3/4 ledge groove, so I line my paper up with the 3.5 inch groove and score at 4 1/4 to get my 3/4 line. Again, I do that on all 4 edges and then pre-fold that score line. Cut the glue tabs. Cut in a little widget so if I fold it over, it won't show. And then just tape it on to your box. I already did that too. Decorate your box and it's done. I hope you have fun and find lots of ways to use this cute little box. See you next time.